Hi, I'm Balasmanian. In this video, we are going to see 8th Standard Biology, Chapter 9 Useful Microorganisms, Animals and Plants. In this lesson, we are going to learn about management of milch animals, shelter, feeding, proper breeding, disease of cattle, white revolution, meat and egg yielding animals, poultry farming, management of poultry birds, and management of sheep and goat. Okay. Management of milch animals. First one, shelter. Okay, animal shelter should be clean and well ventilated. Ventilated means free flow of wind. Okay, right. See, shed should be clean. We have to keep clean. Okay, shed should be well covered to protect them from rain, heat, cold. We should be give a good protectness from rain, heat, cold. Okay, shelter should be big enough. It should be very big because animals need to be comfortable. Okay, to provide sufficient spaces to animal for staying. Animal need to be feel comfortable. Okay, right. It should be clear drinking water. We have to provide very clear drinking water. Okay, and also shelter should be protected from predators. Predators nothing but an animal that naturally preys on others. Okay, so we have to keep the animal safe from the predators, right? If you are going to maintain cattle, all these characters should follow. This kind of character should be follow. Okay, see, animal shelter should be clean or well ventilated. Shed should be covered to protect them from rain, heat, cold. These are all natural factors we should be keep away from the, right? The shelter should be big enough, very big enough. Okay, why? To provide sufficient space to the animals for staying. It should be clear drinking water. Whenever needed, we should give clear water. Okay. The shelter should be protected from predators. Right. Next, feeding. The animal food containing essential nutrients, nothing but carbohydrate, protein, and minerals. Okay. Right. So, food containing essential nutrients needed for growth and development is called feed. Right. So, there are two kind of feeds. One is roughage, another one is concentrates. First one roughage, another one is concentrate. What is roughage? Roughage has more fiber content. It contains more fiber content. Include hay, straw, fodder, legumes. Legumes nothing but peas and beans. Okay, silage, cocoa, pea, and so on. Okay, right. Then concentrate. What is concentrate? Concentrates have very low fibrous matters, but they are rich in nutrients. Okay, so we have to provide these kind of foods to the cattle, right? Next, proper breeding. What is it? Proper breeding. Animals with specific and desired characters are selected for breeding. Okay, right. See, what is selected? It's nothing but cattle should have some specific characters. So animals should give a more quantity of milk. It has good immunity power because need to adapt all kind of situation, right? Then proper breeding is important for propagation of livestock. Livestock nothing but maintaining of cattle. Okay, so very important. Selected breeding is very important. Next one, disease of cattle. See, human beings also suffered from bacterial and viral disease. Likewise, this kind of cattle also suffered from bacterial and viruses. See, how we can prevent by giving proper vaccination regularly, right? See, first one, what's the disease name? Anthrax. What are the animals going to be affected? Sheep, horse, cattle, goat. What is the causative agent? Bacteria. Symptoms. What are the symptoms of anthrax disease? Swelling on the body parts, especially on neck, accompanied with the high fever. Look at this picture. You will understand easily. Okay. See, lots of lumps on their neck. Okay, right. Swelling. It's nothing but the inflammation, right? Okay. Next, what's the disease name? Rinderpest. Animals. What are the animals going to be affected? Cattle. What is the causative agent? Virus. So, what are the symptoms of this disease? High fever, loss of appetite, salivation, excessive dehydration. These are all very dangerous. Okay, right. Next, what is the disease name? Cowpox. What are the animals going to have suffer? Cow. What is the causative agent? Virus. What are the symptoms? Appearance of small nodules on the body. Okay, right. Next, what's the disease name? Foot and mouth disease. What are the animals going to be affected? Cattle, sheep, swine, and goat. What is the causative agent? Virus. Symptoms: excessive salivation, blisters on mouth. Look at the picture. See, see here. Okay, and also feet and adder, high fever, loss of appetite. These are all the symptoms for foot and mouth disease. Next, white revolution. See, Operation Flood is commonly referred to as White Revolution. Operation Flood, also known as White Revolution, is nothing but rapid development in milk production. That means production of milks with a high quantity. Okay, right. That took place in India from 1970 to 1996, in between the year, right? See, before, basically our India being a lack in milk production, but later, I mean after start this white revolutions, see, India become a good producer in milk. Okay, see, the project transferred India from a milk deficient country to the world largest milk producer in 1998. Okay, right. See, who done this? The main architect of this successful project was Dr. Varghese Kurian, also known as father of White Revolution. Okay, right. See, this operation plate is started by NDDB, National Dairy Development Board. Okay, right. See, this Varghese Kurian, also known as Milkman of India. Who is called the Milkman of India? Varghese Kurian, Dr. Varghese Kurian. Okay, right. Next, see, this white revolutions was completed in three phases. Okay, first one, during the first phase of this starting, in between the year 1970 to 1980, the countries of 18 milk sheds were connected. How many? 18 milk sheds are connected to the consumers of the four metros. Four metros, nothing but a largest city. Okay, such as Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and Kolkata. Okay, during the second phase, between 1981 to 1985, the management increased the milk shades from 18 to 136, and also 290 urban markets expanded the outlets of milk. It's nothing but selling of milks to the outside. Okay, right. In third stage and last stage, in between the year 1986 to 1996 of White Revolution, the dairy cooperatives were enabled to expand the infrastructure to procure milk. It's nothing but to collecting, to storing the milk. Okay, right. And also veterinary first aid, healthcare services, feed and artificial inseminations also extended. Okay, right. Next, meat and egg yielding animals. See, basically we know that goat, sheep, hen, and other poultry birds provide us with meat. Okay, right. Not only goat, sheep, hen, fish also. Fish also gives meat to us. Okay, right. Here we have to know that what is chicken. Hen meat is called chicken. What is chicken? Hen meat is called chicken. And also what is mutton? You have to know that mutton. What is mutton? Sheep and goat meat is called mutton. See, sheep and goat meat is called a mutton. Okay, right. Next, poultry farming. See, poultry is a rearing of birds like a fowl. It's nothing but cock and hen, goose, turkey, and duck for their meat and eggs. So usually we are collecting eggs and meats from them. Okay, right. For our purposes, basic purposes, right. See, chicken used for laying eggs are called layers. We have to know that very important. What is layers? Chicken used for laying eggs. Okay, these kind of chickens giving eggs, laying eggs are called layers. And what is broiler? Chicken used for rearing meat is called a broiler. What is broiler? Chicken used for rearing meat. We are collecting meat, we are getting meat, from the chicken. It's known as broiler. Okay, right. See, India, there are three types of breeds. First one, indigenous breed. Indigenous nothing but these kind of breeds maintained in our country. Okay, rearing in our country. That is called a indigenous breed. Okay, right. The best example is Azil. Okay, right. Then next one, exotic breeds. It's nothing but imported breeds from the other countries. See, exotic breeds such as White Rock, Black Monarch, Rhode Island Red are produced outside India. Okay, it's basically from the outside country. It's imported from other countries. See, they are excellent egg layer and good meat producer. So these kind of breeds are giving more number of eggs, and also it gives good quantity of meats. Okay, right. Next, crossbreed. What is crossbreed? Crossbreed developed by exotic breeds made with the indigenous breeds. It's new variety crossbreeds. Okay, right. See, these are all the example. What is it? ILS 82, B77. Right. See, they have a high yielding capacity. Basically, these kind of breeds can give more eggs and also big quantity of meats. Next one, management of poultry birds. How we can maintain this? We are going to make a poultry farm. We have to follow this. Okay, it's very important that the chickens are kept with the care in the poultry sheds. See, we have to give more care to them, right? The birds should not be kept in the open places. It's very danger, as there is always a danger of birds being attacked by other animals, maybe predators, right? So we have to be give more care. We have to be maintain proper shed. Okay, right. See, care should be taken while feeding the birds. Whenever giving food, we have to be very care. See, what kind of food we can give birds? Food generally cereals like a maize, bajra, wheat, ragi. These are all the suitable foods for them. Okay, right. We can give like this kind of foods. Next, sheep and goat. See, basically, you know that sheep provides mutton, wool, leather. So these are all the basic products we are getting from the sheep. See, goat provides milk, meat, and skin. Okay, first one, sheep provides mutton, wool, leather. Goat provides milk, meat, and skin. These are all the essential for us. Okay, right. See, next, what is shearing? We have to know that the process of removal of wool from sheep is called shearing. Okay, process of removal of wool from sheep is called shearing. See, we are using wool to making sweater, shawls, bed sheets. Okay, right. See, basically, wool varies from breed to breed. The qualities of varies from breed to breed. Okay, example, Pashmina shawl wool is very soft and warm in comparing others. Basically, Pashmina shawls are very soft and warm. Okay, when you're comparing other breeds also. Okay, right. See, important breeds of sheep are in our country: Nellore, Mandaya, Dorset, Marwari, Bikanati, Rampuri, and Deccan. So these are all the important breeds of sheep in our country. Okay, right. Then important breeds of goats include Gaddi, Jamnapuri, Black Bengal, Assam Hill, Deccani, Kashmiri. So these are all the varieties of breeds of goats. Okay, right. Next, management of sheep and goat. Okay, if you are going to maintain this, we have to follow this kind of characters. Okay, right. Sheep do not require well structured shelter. Okay, it can give anywhere, it can live anywhere. See, they live under natural shades of trees and hills. Okay, right. But goat not like that. Goats require clean, dry, and safe home. But sheep can live anywhere, but goat require clean, dry, and safe home. Okay, goat should be protected from heat and cold. We have to be follow this kind of characters. Okay, right. See, we can give food like gram, chuff, oil cakes, mineral mixers along the grass and foliage herbs. See, these are all the varieties of foods we can give to sheep and goat. Okay, right. Okay, I hope you all understood. Thank you.